this one is the Nova Mall at sa beside. So dito tayo dumaan pa rin sa may San Malo. Dapat doon tayo dumaan sa may ano dito sa kabila. Yung paglabas natin na yung Sands Hotel. Oo. Ayan. Yung dito tayo sana kanina. Dito siya dumaan So this is the way guys to go to the Grand Lapa Hotel, the one of 5-star hotel here in Macau. This is our way to go there. It's so very sunny today. So very hot. Summer. Ayun po yung Macau Tower. Nakikita niyo po yung Macau Tower. The only one Macau Tower. See guys, the Macau Tower over there. Ang ganda. Ano kayang ginagawa na to, pe? Sabi nila parang ano daw yan, parang Disneyland. City of Macau, the San Malo, and then you can see the Grand Lisboa, the center of San Malo Hotel. Ang bilis ng building na tong ginawa, oh, parang kailan lang gawa na kaagad. Central Macau. Because we are living at the Taipa, the second district of part of Macau. The rich people live there in Taipa. We are the rich kids here in Macau. Right, Kyle? You are living in Taipa. So we are a rich kid living in Macau. Living at Taifa. Ginagawa yung mga kalsada ngayon guys, gawa nga ng pandemic, so walang masyadong nagta-travel. Only inside Macau can go any hotel, any places around. Oh, I can see the hotel over there. You can see guys, this one our destination, the Atraisen Hotel. Hotel here. Landmark Macau Casino. Stricto daw dyan sa landmark eh. Kapangit naman. Oo, kapangit. Kaya nga tinalo pa yung mga bibigating hotel. Kakaloka, diba? Sila ng Metro Park, yan. Super higpit sila, kapangit naman ang mga hotel nila. So we are there at Atraisen. So this one is our destination over there. Yan guys, ang destination, yung taas na yun. Kyle, OMG. We are going in the skyway. So this is it. So ayan siya guys. Ayan ang aming destination. Yan yung hotel na yan. Ayan, Atraisen. It's called Atraisen, but the old name is Grand Lapa. So we're here. Okay guys, this one is the lobby. See, you can see guys. Oh, so we are in the lobby. So ang kanilang lobby guys. Kanilang labit. So we could myself adventure. So dito is early morning So the swimming pool of Randapa is open around 6 o'clock in the morning. So because I fall asleep last night late, so I wake up also late. So I become late to go swimming, and then I need to checking out 12 p.m. at this afternoon. So let's go guys, let's go swimming. Ayan po. Aking outfit na in-order ko sa online. Hindi kang ganda. Ito po ang kanilang room. Kita kasi ang kanilang king size bed. Dahil ako lang mag-isa, hindi ko na dapat pwede tayo mag-order ng 2 bed. Dahil wala naman gustong matulog dito, ako lang gusto matulog. So ayan, pinuha na lang. So tara guys, mag-swimming na po tayo. Hi guys! Hi everyone! Good morning! So it's me, myself, Adventure. So we are now in Grand Lapa at Raisen, Macau. It's the one of the expensive and the one 5-star hotel here in Macau. We are checked in and go for swimming, unlimited swimming for today. Because there's no people, it's Monday, so people is so busy. So I get the holiday after the 2 months active the virus. So just only open all over the Macau, the facilities, swimming, hotel, etc. And they are open, so we grab the opportunity to get the promo. I only get 300 overnight stay here in Grand Lapa at Raisen, Macau. So unlimited swimming guys. The swimming pool is open 6 o'clock in the morning, and then they are closing at 10 p.m. so a long time to swimming pool, not like other hotel, they only close at 6 p.m. so this one is very very affordable and very good for stay. So now because it's Monday, so no people here. Yesterday so many because it's holiday, Saturday, Sunday, so many people here, but now it's only limited to stay. And then I checking out, the check-in open is around 3 p.m. and then you can check it out is at 12 p.m. at this afternoon. So I have more time, 2 hours more time to swim. Woohoo! Sayang! So thank you guys to my follower, and then wherever I go, you can go also. So thank you so much for following me, myself, Adventure. So I'm the only one here now. So you, wherever I go guys, you also can go. So thank you so much for following me, my channel, myself Adventure. Thank you so much guys. So you can go also, and then you get an idea if you're in Macau. So you can get the idea guys, and then I bring you in the cheaper hotel. But maybe if the Macau is open, so become expensive. This hotel guys, when before when the tourist is open, this one is the 5,000 Hong Kong dollars is the lowest price. But the border is closed for the tourists, so only people here in Macau can get the promo. That's why the hotel here in Macau, they are giving the promo cheaper. So that's why we are go to the hotel for cheaper price only. But otherwise we can't go expensive. 5,000 is expensive guys. No, cannot. Mag-slide ako ulit guys ha.
需要我才去。一进来我们先喝可乐，然后那个可乐，然后那个可乐。
Oh, ayan guys. Swimming tayo. Sarap. Sulo ko ngayon. Wala ng Grand Lapa, Macau. Yan ang Sans Hotel. Sarap. Sarap! Sarap mag-slide. Ayan, walang katao-tao guys. So solo ko ngayon. Ayan. Sarap naman oy. Sarap! Alam nyo guys, ang lalim nito, mas malalim. Pero pag hindi ka marunong lumangoy, lunod ka dito. Kasi ang lalim, doon lang yung mababaw. Solong-solo ko ngayon. Walang magrereklamo. Kasi solo ko. Ang sarap. Sarap! Sarap paligo ng umaga. 12 o'clock guys ang check out ko. Kaya tingnan natin. Punta ako doon. Nakakapagod. Aray. Sarap!
Nag-iisa na lang ako. Ayoko na lang magmahal, pagkat lagi na lang iniiwan ang tulad ko. Ngayon ay biglang nagbago, pagkat sabihin ko ikaw ngayon ay naririto. Muli binuhay mo ang puso't isip ko.
Gabi na. Ganitong oras kayo, di ba, noon? Sino yung Sky? Saan Sky? Kumakya? Sarap malito. Hi guys!
Kaya ka lang. Ay, naku, nakakaurag sila. Hindi sila friendly ako. Di ba? Oo. Pinoy sa pagkigawang pa.
Ayan na. Push na.
Sa tip, JD.
Oh.
Wait, come on, let's go. Where? Come here. Let me go finish this. Come on, come here. Where? Wait for my sister. Okay na?
Oo. Enough na. Grabe mo na. Ang dami mo ng video. naman.
Wala ka sa ano eh. Dito na lang.
Oo.
And dito po ako ngayon, magre-ready check out na po ako. So, salamat po sa lahat na nagsubaybay sa aking vlog for today. So, lagi po kayong nakasunod sa akin at salamat po ng marami guys. At kung saan po ako nakakarating ay nakakarating na rin po kayo. 5-star hotel dito sa Macau. So, maraming salamat guys. So, ready na po tayo mag-out. So, tara guys. Check na po natin yung mga paligid. Kung baka may nakalimutan tayo. Wala naman yata. So, tara na guys. Mag-check out na tayo. Uwi na tayo. So, ayan po. Ang view dito sa labas. Ang kanilang swimming pool ng Grand Lapa. Ayan. Sands Hotel yung tagiliran niya. Ayan. Kita nyo. Sands Hotel. So, ayan po guys. Kanilang coffee maker. Ayan. Ay, ito pala kukunin ko to. Kasi libre to. Kukunin ko. Diba? Ayan. Iuwi natin yan. Diba? Sayang. Binayaran din natin yung kasama sa bayan. Yan ang kalitang salamin. Kita.